Hello YouTube. We're just going out now for a bit of an evening in the woods. It was going to be an overnighter, but we've just had some torrential rain, and we figure, well, we wussed out basically, and so we're just going to go out, see if we can get a fire going, cook some food, because we've already bought it, and we'll just have a look around. It's absolutely soaking wet here, so whether we're actually going to be able to get a fire going is going to be interesting. This is going to be a bit of a challenge, but it should be fun one way or the other. Well, we're standing under a tree at the moment waiting for it. It's absolutely hammering it down here. I don't know if this is coming out, but it's absolutely pouring it down. But we're not giving up just yet. Not quite. Right, well here we go. This is going to be the fire. Fingers crossed that this system will work. Got a couple of really good firelighters in the bottom here. We're not going bushcraft style on this one, not in this weather. But let's see if this works. I mean, I think it stopped raining. I think we just got something like, seems to be just drips coming off the tree at the moment.
Yeah.
I tell you what, if this doesn't work, we're not putting this up.
No, I totally understand.
So, well, worth a shot.
Let's give it a go.
Catch up. Well, we've still got rain dripping on us, but the fire's going. It's going pretty well. We've got the spuds in. The spuds there. Got some coffee on there. Nice little elk kit gear there. Elk kit Coro. I think that's the Coro stove. I'm not sure. Yeah, it is. Yeah. The 900ml pot. And this is all looking good. Not bad considering that wood is absolutely soaking wet. And it's still raining a bit now. Right, we've got the grill on now. I think this is a, I think it's Coogan's. I think it's Coogan's grill. I think it didn't cost much. It's about 8 or 9 quid. It's not bad. Got a couple of bits of corn on the cob there, as you can see. I think the fire's probably hot enough to cook them. Still getting dripped on like anything here. What time is it?
Time is 5 to 8.
So it's 5 to 8. Not going too badly at all, actually. Yeah. Right, well, here we go. I think the old sweet corn's ready. And the rain seems to have finally stopped. just as it starts to get dark. So here we go. That's pretty much done.
That's good to go. Ow.
Oh right,
Well,
that's good. You can't beat campfire cooking.
that's really nice. Do that.
Oh yes, there we go. Look at that.
Excuse me. Yes, folks. Next 5 minutes of us eating. You're recording.
Yeah, that's it. So, so isn't it?
Time is. What's tonight?
Right, 9:15. I think we're pretty much done. Fire, just letting the fire burn down now. Cup of coffee before we go, and we pack up and obviously leave no trace. Get rid of the fire, traces of the fire. And didn't turn out too badly, did it?
No, it wasn't too bad.
I mean, it could have been a lot worse. I mean, it was absolutely rained all the way in here. I mean, torrential. But you know, we stood around. What was it? We stood around in the rain for about
Half hour.
a good half an hour before we could even start looking for firewood. But we managed to get the fire going thanks to some really good firelighters. We didn't mess around with any bushcraft stuff on this one. It was just best firelighters we could possibly lay our hands on, and that did the job. You know, split some wood down, so we had the dry stuff in the middle. But
It burnt quite well.
yeah, it burned quite nicely. It burned down into a nice little cooking fire. So there we go.
Should we do a pitch for Kenko now?
Okay. Okay, here we go. Leave no trace.
Where?
Anything we're leaving behind, I've got to leave Tim behind. There we go.
You know, I've got the copies.
Oh yeah. Right. So, let's get out of here.
Which way?
That's a good question. I ain't got a clue.
Right this way.
That way, yeah. Off through the woods. Next time we'll stay overnight. That's it.
Cool.
Thanks for watching. If you did.
Record after 5 minutes. Turn it